Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to bring you along for a chicken bake. And actually, I put my grease on too hot. What I have here to start out is my cast iron Dutch oven, and I have bacon grease that's gotten hot down in the bottom. And to this, we are going to add bone-in skin-on chicken breast and just get it browned. So that is what I'm getting out right now. Now, because I'm sure that it's going to be hard for me to hear if you were right on top of that, what you're wanting to do is brown the skin. Now, I will flip it just for the sake of doing it. You don't have to, because quite honestly, it's really just browning the skin. Now, while this is going on, oh, and you can use legs, thighs, something bone-in skin on. Anyway, so what you can be doing while this is browning is go ahead, and I sliced up a medium onion. I cut it in half and then sliced it. I have 4 small russet potatoes that I'm going to slice, and then I have about a ½ pound of baby carrots. And if you didn't have baby carrots, you could always just cut up some carrots. But this is kind of a meal I like to do whenever there's stuff in the fridge that's going to be going bad, like the carrots that needed used up, or if I have onions or potatoes in excess, which I do. This is a great meal for that. And it comes together really nicely. You could do this in the crock pot if you wanted to go that route. I've done that, but today we're going to be doing it in the Dutch oven. So I hope you stick around, and I will bring you back whenever we are done with browning the chicken. Okay, so I removed the chicken, and now we're going to add in our onions and let them saute for a minute, and then add the garlic for the last minute before we add the rest of the vegetables. And while this is going, and we're getting this all sauteed together, we're going to make our not sauce, but sauce. This is more, I guess I shouldn't call it a chicken bake. It's like a rustic chicken stew. And so we're going to make the soupy part of it right now, while these are sauteing off and doing their thing. Okay, so to make our soup part, I have in here about a cup of milk. I have thyme, rosemary, garlic, salt, pepper, and about 4 tablespoons, healthy tablespoons of flour. And so as the onions are caramelizing, you want to go ahead and whisk this together to get it nice and smooth. And we're going to top it off with some cream at the end. But right now, this is just whole milk. That's good to go. And this will thicken as it cooks. You could cook it before if you wanted, but it's really unnecessary because it'll thicken up just fine. And then to this, I'm going to add a quart of my home canned chicken broth. Or a little chicken bone broth. Oh, and it smells so good. And this will just make for such a rich and delicious dinner today. Now I'm not going to do the last little bit so you can see that's what I was talking about in my canning video. If you don't have a way to strain it, all that's going to go into the bottom anyway. So we just won't use that little bit. Now, all the seasonings are to taste. I probably used about a half a teaspoon of each. A teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt because I did not salt the chicken. But half a teaspoon and a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then a half a teaspoon of thyme and rosemary. However, if I feel like it needs it, I'll add more after this is cooked a little bit, and I probably will. So it'll probably end up being about a teaspoon of each, but I will let you know. So once this is good to go, and let me take it over here. Alright, so our onions are done. So now we're going to put our browned chicken back in. And then to this, sprinkle in your garlic, because it only needs to go for about a minute. And then your potatoes, and these I just washed and sliced. And they can go on top of your chicken, around your chicken, however you want to do it. And then our carrots. And you could slice these if you wanted, or chop them, but I want this to be a nice rustic looking stew. And then, because we can smell the garlic, so that's done, pour in your soup mix. Oh, this already smells so good. So good. Alright. Now, I'm going to put the lid on this, and this is going to go into a 325 degree oven for about an hour, and then I'm going to check it, and we'll probably take the lid off and do it for another 30 minutes. So I will bring you back when this is gone for its full time, and we'll plate this up. Alright, so here is the finished product. I went ahead and deboned my 2 chicken breasts, and just look at this creamy chicken stew. I did, once I took the chicken out, I mixed together a tiny bit, maybe a teaspoon of Dijon mustard with a half a cup of cream, and just mix that in just for a little extra depth of flavor. And it's just, oh, it is so good. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try it for yourself, because this stuff is the bomb and perfect for a cool rainy day, which happens to be today. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching.